Hey people, this is Arshman from Arshiyarts. How are you all? In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple mehendi design for kids. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, we know that no Indian festival or celebration is complete without the application of mehendi. Remember the excitement of applying mehendi when you were a kid. A design for your choice that would remain for days and also smell so good and look very cute on the hand. Mehendi designs for adults and kids are almost the same, but kids turn out to be much cuter, smaller and harder to decide on the design. The most beautiful things in life are always associated with joy that is found in smaller and happier memories. The application of mehendi happens to be one of them. While it may seem to be something so small but yet be so memorable and joy-giving. Hence, here is a simple mehendi design for kids curated by me to help you decide on the best design for your kid. So, in today's video, the simple mehendi design is with a floral twist. Yes, you can never go wrong with florals, especially if it's to do with kids. While kids may not understand the significance of flowers, they definitely love the look of it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. So, this is how the final mehendi looks like. I hope you liked it. And if you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. And turn on the bell icon to be notified on every update from Arshiyarts. See you all in next video. Till then, stay awesome, stay safe. Bye bye.